श्री शारदा भवन एजुकेशन सोसाइटी यशवंत महाविद्यालय नांदेड़ डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ कॉमर्स एंड मैनेजमेंट ई लेक्चर सीरीज क्लास M.Com second year third semester subject research methodology. Today's topic is importance of research. Myself Dr. Harish Chandra Patange, professor and head PG department of commerce and management of this college. Importance of research is the last point of this unit number 1. According to Hudson maxim, all progress is born of inquiry. Doubt is often better than overconfidence, for it leads to inquiry and inquiry leads to invention. Means the basic of origin of research is doubt. Doubt leads to inquiry. Inquiry leads to invention, according to Hudson maxim. Research inculcates scientific and inductive thinking, and it promotes the development of logical habits of thinking and organization. Means research is nothing but it is developing the scientific and inductive thinking among the researcher. It develops the logical habits of thinking and organization. Research is very useful to the students, professional researchers, educationalists, social activists, governments, business persons, industrialists, engineers and technicians, philosophers and thinkers, medical practitioners, chartered accountants, analysts and intellectuals, etc. Means research is very useful to everyone. So research is useful, number 1, to those students who are to write a master's or PhD thesis. Research may mean a careerism or a way to attain a high position in a social structure. Means research is useful to those students who are going to complete master degree in philosophy, MPhil, and Doctor of Philosophy means PhD as a career. Now second, research useful to professionals, means research professionals. In research methodology, research may mean a source of livelihood. Means the research professional persons, they are continuously engaging the research and they provide their knowledge to the society, and they can get the income, or they can earn the income by way of consultancy. So research is useful for professional researchers also. Number 3, research is useful to the philosophers and the thinkers. Research may mean the outlet for new ideas and insights. Means whatever philosopher or thinkers are there, they can get new ideas and insights due to research only. Research is useful to literary men and women. Research may mean the development of new styles and creative work. Means research is useful towards the literary men and women for developing new styles and creative work. Research is useful to the analysts and intellectuals. Research may mean the generalization of a new theories. Means by using research, one can generalize the new theory, new law, new theorem. So for analysts and intellectuals, research is useful to generalize a new theory or new law. Next, research is useful to the governments. Research may mean the formulation of economic and social policies. Means government always engaged in formulation of economic and social policies, and while formulating the such policies, government has to take into account the research work, and by using research work, government can formulate proper economic and social policies in the country. Next, to the business person and industrialist. Research may mean the formulation of business and industrial policies and planning. Means according to business person and industrialist always use the research as a base for formulation of business and industrial, whatever policy is there, planning is there. Research is useful to the educationalist. Research may mean the development of learning resources. Means by using research, educationalists can develop the new learning resources. Research is useful to the professional managers. Research may mean the tool of decision making, and professional managers may use in decision making the research. So research may help to the professional managers for decision making purpose. Research is useful to the medical practitioners. Research may mean the development of new clinical method. Means the medical practitioners may develop new clinical method on account of having the work of research only. Research is useful to the chartered accountants. According to them, research may mean the development of new accounting standards and policies. Means chartered accountants can develop new accounting standards and policies on account of having the research work or research knowledge. Research is useful to the social activists also. According to them, research may mean the tool of social justice. According to social activists, whatever social justice is there, that is only on account of having the research work. Means if social activists demands for social justice, they use the base of research and can achieve the social justice. Means research is a tool of social justice in case of social activist. Research is useful to the engineers and technicians. Research may mean the development of new innovative and economical technique. Always engineers and technicians are engaged to develop new innovative and economical technique, and in order to that they have to undertake continuous research work, and on account of having research work they are able to develop new and innovative economic and economic technique. Thus research is the fountain of knowledge for the sake of knowledge, and an important source of providing guidelines for solving different business, governmental and social problems. It is a sort of a formal training which enables one to understand the new developments in one's fields in a better way. Thank you.